Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add your own sounds on TikTok or how to make your own sounds. So if you want to add your choice of music to TikTok so that you and others can enjoy them, definitely watch this video all the way to very end because I'm going to go over exactly how to do that. So it's a quick and easy. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you must have a video with your audio. It might be a screen recording or a clip you downloaded. It could be simply anything. All you need is an MP4 clip that you can upload to a TikTok. So the very first thing is to have a clip featuring your music. The next thing you want to is that you have to open up the TikTok mobile application, and from here you simply have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now to upload the video you have to tap on upload, and from here you have to select the video which you want to upload. For example, if I am selecting this video, now after that I will simply click on next and I will post this video. Once your video has been posted, you have to go to your profile and open up the video, and then you have to simply tap on the music. Now it will open up your music containing the video. You can rename this music by simply tap on the pencil icon right next to the video. For example, if I am adding example, I will simply click on save. Now as you guys can see that the music has been renamed. Now if any of the person will create the video on this music, then the person's video will be shown here. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.